Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add products extra fields in your WooCommerce WordPress website. So first of all, let me go in plugin sections, and we need to install a new plugin from a WordPress free plugin library. So make sure that you have installed WooCommerce plugins, and then now let's go and click on add new plugin. Now here you can search for products options, then scroll down this one, extra product options. So you need to install this plugin, and here you can see 30,000 plus active installations. So now let me go and scroll up. Then here you can see under the products extra product options, you can go here and then scroll down. Here you can add a new section, then in that section you can add multiple fields. So you can also add fields without adding a new section. So now let me go and click on add field. Then here you can see these are the different field types. So I want to add text area, so let me select this one, and this will be a box here. So for example, customer can add here special instructions. So for example, let me give name notes, then type here notes. You can also type instructions, whatever. Please ask anything, whatever text you want to add you can easily do. Then click on save and close. Okay, now we have added our text box. Let me go back and reload this page. Okay, that's good. Now let's see how it works. So for example, if I add something here, do you have other colors? Then let me go and click on add to cart. Options that we have added a new text box.